Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today's video again is going to be another unboxing, or in this case unbagging video for you guys. Today I am going to be revealing my very first Coach bag for you guys. Today I am so excited. This item I have literally been having my eye on for months and months and months and months. If you don't know me as a shopper, I typically either screenshot it or put it in my cart, save it for later, wait on a deal or for it to go on sale, clearance or something like that, 15%, 20%. I typically like to wait, but for this particular item, I have had it in my phone for months and months and months and months, just waiting on the right time for it to go down. And guys, the opportunity presented itself, so I was like, let me go ahead and get it. I've been trying to do better as far as spending money and, you know, kind of saving and doing better things with my money, but the opportunity presented itself, so I was like, let me go ahead and get this bag, guys. So I was out and about. I typically don't like shopping in the stores. All of my items typically come online, but I was in a certain area and they had the Coach outlet, so I was like, let me just go in, let me just see if they have it. If they don't have it, that's my sign to just, you know, not get it. So I went in the store and I was looking around, seeing other items that they had, and they did not have the bag. So I was like, I'm not gonna get it, I'm not gonna worry about it. But something said, go ahead and ask the sales lady. So when I asked the sales lady, I pulled it up on my phone, gave her everything, and she's like, we do have it, but for some reason it's not out here. Like, I don't know where the bag is. So y'all, she went in the bag and she checked, and y'all, she pulled out the bag, and I was like, okay, I have to get it. Like, in this area they don't have tax, so I didn't have to worry about tax or shipping or anything. So I just got the bag for a flat out fee. So I was like, okay, I'm definitely getting it. So for this particular bag, I didn't want to actually get a purse or like anything. It's summertime, so the crossbodies are in, your satchel bags is in. So I like this particular bag because you can kind of carry it around for any, you know, occasion. If you go to amusement park for brunch, whatever, you can just kind of throw it on and go, and it will just, you know, be your bag for the day. So for this particular bag, I actually got the Graham satchel bag, and without further ado, I'm gonna let y'all know what I got. So here's the bag. This is the bag that it came in. Again, it's the Graham satchel canvas bag, signature bag. And guys, this bag literally was only $179. So $179 flat out. Love this bag. Had it screenshotted for months and months and months. I'm so excited that I finally got the bag. So this is the bag, and I'm going to reveal it for you guys right now. So, dun 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 dun. Guys, look how cute the bag is. So I like this bag because it gives you like that signature kind of Coach look to it. And then it has like the varsity stripes on it as well. Love this bag. And then of course the crossbody to it. And then it's not like one of them small bags. Like, you can get enough stuff in it. You know, us as girls, we carry a lot of stuff in our purses and stuff like that. So this, of course, the sizing is great on this bag. The black with the white stripe. You can kind of pair it, throw it on. Love this bag. It has a zipper in the front for some items you can just put in the front. And then it has, of course, the regular zipper. So this is the bag. Yo, $179. I was like, I have to get it. Definitely a nice bag to get, guys. The original price for this was $350, and pretty much I got it for half off, $179. Love this bag. Perfect. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to rock it. Put my little coins in here. So here's the bag. It'll kind of go over the shoulder and you can kind of adjust it so any way that you want to. I'll adjust it later. I'm not gonna do it now, but I'll adjust the bag. So how cute is this bag, y'all? So cute. Again, the Graham Signature bag, $179. It has the 2 compartments where you can put both of the anything in the front and then some stuff in the middle as well. Nice little carry on. So excited to finally get my first luxury little bag. So guys, if you like this bag, I will leave the name of this bag in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think of this bag. I think it's so cute. Nice little first little bag to get from Coach. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this won't be my last bag, but this is of course my first luxury bag, so I'm so excited to get this bag. So thank you guys for watching. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.